Do you ever spill water out of your pail? Don't you wish carrying a pail wasn't so awkward? Aren't you bored of pails? Then just go ham on the one you have now, 'cause we got a new one for you. Just unfurl the rope and voila! You can carry it more easily. You can do it around the world. And you can put it down more easily. Would you rather have this boring pail? Or, come on, we all know it, you'd rather have this Pail 5000. Let's go. Oh, look at this guy. That is some major enthusiasm right there.
As mentioned before in the advertisement, you could do around the world with the new Pail 5000. After many clinical trials, the scientists figured out the minimum speed that the Pail 5000 must be spun at to complete around the world. To find this, what they did first was they had to calculate the circumference of the revolution. And to do that, they took 2 times the radius, which is the 2 times the radius, which was 0.83 meters. They found that the radius is the distance from your arm to the end of the pail, and then they multiplied that entire part by pi, so it's 8.14, and they found that to be 5.2 meters. After finding that, they divided that by the time it took for one revolution. One revolution for the pail spin, one revolution, which was 1.2 seconds, and they found that to equal 4.34 meters per second.
Now we will try to unravel the secrets behind the Pail 5000. First, we can start by listing our knowns. We do know that the mass of the bucket plus the mass of the water inside the bucket is equal to about 0.567 kilograms. From Daniel's section of the video, we were able to calculate the velocity, which we now know is equal to 4.34 meters per second. Finally, the last piece of information we need to know is the radius. The radius from the axis of rotation to the end of the bucket is about 0.83 meters. Our formula for centripetal force, we'll say it's Fc, is equal to the mass of the bucket and the water times the velocity, square the velocity, over the radius. We have each of the unknowns, so we can plug these all in. With a mass of about 0.567 kilograms times a velocity of 4.34 meters per second, square that all over a radius of 0.83. Finally, we can conclude that the centripetal force required to keep the water inside of the bucket is equal to 12.9 newtons.
Call today at 1-800-555-6565. And if you call today, you get absolutely nothing extra. You're not accountable for any injury caused by the Pail 5000. See instructions before using the Pail 5000. It may or may not explode. Common side effects after use are death, nausea, impulse to harm, shake, twerking, torquing, migraines, wheezing, fainting, dry tongue, and seizures. Si hablas español, escribe 1-800-555-6565. Y cuando llama, escribe el número 2 para instrucciones en español. Just look at how much this guy is enjoying the Pail 5000. Just picture it. That could be you.